Big body, by the way.
It's twin turbo, by the way. Look for some smoke, you feel me?
What's up, YouTube? Yes, sir. It is your boy Witness, and we are back with something new. Another AMG. Big body, by the way. Yes, sir. GLS63. This is the big boy with the big V8. It is a school bus, yes, don't get me wrong. But it is a beautiful, beautiful car. And we are going to go for a ride today, man. It is a glossy silver with black rims, red brake calipers. It's a beautiful car, man. And it sounds even better. So y'all know, man, with me, I'm going on a little ride and I want y'all to come with me. So let's do it. YouTube, what's going on, man? As y'all can see, we are in the 63 AMG guy. It's a big body. Do got a little ride, man. It is currently almost 9 o'clock in the morning. So we could title this early morning cut up. You feel what I'm saying? But I'm really looking for some smoke, man. So looking for some smoke. You feel me? If I make some smoke, man, I'm on all that today. I ain't gonna lie. What you got here? We got a M4. M4. I'm on his ass. What you gonna do, boy? You gonna cut up or no? Like, what's up, man? I don't think you want to play, y'all. I don't think you want to play. Oh, it's an M3. My bad. I don't think you want to play, y'all, but yeah, man. Search for some smoke today. You know what I'm saying? Good morning to everybody. Hope y'all doing all right, man. It's your boy Witness, and we back with another one, man. We got the big body Tonka truck today. You know what I'm saying? Some cool shit, some slight shit. Feel me? Been going crazy with these PLVs as of lately, and I'm gonna keep coming crazy. So, yeah, man, y'all just enjoy the video. Shark, nigga. Yeah, let's see if we can swim through this a little bit, man. I ain't gonna make this truck too damn big. This truck big as shit. Need it. wish we could find some smoke out here, man, but ain't no smoke, man. It's too early, I think. Maybe I came out too early. All the kids inside. All the kids at school and shit. Not to me. What the fuck? Little cut in between the trucks. What you gonna do, twin? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Jeez. That's me. That motherfucker move. This big motherfucker. It's twin turbo, by the way. Twin turbo, gang. I see a vet. I see a vet, man. Let's see if we can catch up to this vet. See what the smoke is. He don't want it. He don't want that shit, bro. There's an old ass white man in there, bro. On his ass. I'm on his ass. I need it. What he doing? What he doing? And that's fast as fuck. Yeah, I always have some cooler shit. It's all good though. This nigga going too slow. Bro, the Brinks truck trying to race and shit, man. Finding no smoke is crazy. I tried, y'all. I honestly tried. I'm trying to keep it a little bit higher for you guys so you guys can see more. All right, y'all. This concludes our GLS63 video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. Hope y'all, you feel me, got a little insight and a little inside scoop on this car, man. I love it. Love the exhaust. Love how big it is. Everybody might not like how agile it might be, but I actually love it. So, yeah, man, like I always say, y'all take care of yourself. I appreciate y'all for watching somewhat of a quicker video. But, yeah, y'all stay tuned, and I'm gone. Peace.